The journey of Barack Obama. His life shows that no matter where you come from or what obstacles you face, with determination and vision, you can change the world. Barack Hussein Obama was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii, to a diverse and multicultural family. Obama's life was far from typical. His parents' marriage ended when he was young, and his father moved back to Kenya. Obama's experiences in these two countries exposed him to different cultures, languages, and worldviews, making him keenly aware of the global issues and challenges that others faced. He was often torn between his mixed racial identity, trying to navigate the complexities of being both African American and biracial. After high school, Obama moved to the mainland United States to attend Occidental College in Los Angeles, before transferring to Columbia University in New York City, where he earned a degree in political science. After graduating from Harvard, Obama chose to focus on community organizing, first in Chicago, where he worked to improve neighborhoods and fight for civil rights. On November 4, 2008, Barack Obama was elected the 44th President of the United States, becoming the first African American to hold the highest office in the land. Throughout his presidency and beyond, Obama remained committed to the principles of fairness, equality, and justice. His life shows that no matter where you come from or what obstacles you face, with determination and vision, you can change the world. Thank you so much for watching.